Hey guys, it's Sarah. It's late. It is 10:08 p.m. my time. I figured I would try to do some makeup before I did my TV session. Weekend is here. I have to go back to work Monday. So anyways, I wanted to try and use this. We'll see what happens. I've already exfoliated my face. I used the stuff that I got from Hawaii. It's called Adore. It's really a gentle exfoliation. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my vitamin C. I don't know. Let's see. Vitamin C serum on my face. And then I'm going to get started. Let's see. All right. Let's see. I probably won't do too much talking. And the quality is not good because it's the camera on my computer. So I'm listening to music. Gonna get back into the hang of things and just play with some makeup if you care to watch. So put some music on your end and let's get started. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you have a good weekend and enjoy yourself. I plan on just relaxing. That's all I plan on doing. All right. I'm going to start with using my Hot Makeup Professional Pores Away Face Primer, Pore Vanishing Cream. Doesn't smell like anything. Doesn't have any type of smell to it. Okay. Guess we'll try the Fit Me. Wet sponge. And I was telling you about the body sponge, how it's bigger. This is wet and this is dry. So you can see the difference. So if this was wet, it would probably be double, it's about double the size, more coverage. Let's see if the shade matches my skin. No. Maybe. This is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless number 220. Give it a try. I guess it's not bad. Almost. To me, it looks a little yellow. But then again, I don't know makeup that well. So we'll see. Not too bad on camera. Uh. See. Let's see. I'm using a sponge to put the face on.